Alright guys, so before this video gets started, I just wanted to give a little bit of background to it. As you can see in the title, the clutch is burnt up in this car. This was the Stage 3 FX1 6-puck clutch that was supposed to be good for like 350 horsepower. The problem is we ran this clutch with like 3 different motor setups and I never did change it, and I was worried how long it was going to actually last. The last time we ran this car on the dyno, it was making like 360 horsepower on like 17, 18 psi, no problems. That's when the head gasket blew, and it's taken me forever to get the head gasket replaced. Now we put it back on the dyno, and you'll see here from this video clip, but the clutch did not want to put up with any more. So please, before you watch this, comment down below, recommend what clutch would you guys like me to try. What do you recommend? I obviously don't want to break the bank on a clutch for this car because the next project vehicle should be released here soon. Hopefully gonna cross my fingers, go pick it up this weekend. I don't know though, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. As always, let's keep it going. All right, here, let's roll the clip. Alright guys, I didn't get a closing clip for this video. I'm kind of a little upset about it. It is what it is though. Can't get upset, it's just a project car. But the Integra only ended up holding like 260 horsepower, and then the clutch went to slipping like crazy. Yeah, it's that original clutch that I had in like 3 motors ago, so it was overdue for it to go out from a long time ago. But the motor sounds pretty healthy. It's not smoking, not doing anything crazy. The head gasket is holding, which is now a Cometic head gasket with ARP head studs. And I just need to give me a little clutch, throw that clutch in there, and then get it back on the dyno. It's been slow progress lately, but hopefully that's going to pick up here soon with not only this car, but also the next project coming up.